So in the last two videos, I set up kind authentication and I set up kind authentication webhooks so that we can get our users in our own personal database. But I think one thing I left out at the end is actually deploying your application with your authentication. So I think we should do that together. So we were using something called ngrok before to forward our domain to our localhost, and that's how we were able to access our webhook. But when we deploy, we don't have to use ngrok. We can use the actual domain our deployment service gives us. So let's deploy this to Vercel. And so I just create a blank GitHub repo, and I'm gonna go to my repository here, and let's just make sure your the env is grayed out. You know, it's in the git ignore. So we'll do a git status. We'll do a git add. We'll do a git commit m. And I'll just call it init. Cool. And I'm going to copy this push existing repository from the command line. And that should hopefully have worked. It did not work. Why are you not working? Git push u origin main. Git status. I gotta debug this GitHub real quick. Okay, I don't know what was wrong, but everything's in our GitHub now. Okay, so now we're gonna go to vercel.com and we're gonna go ahead and click on add a new project, and we'll import a GitHub repo right here. The one we have kind is the one I named it. Import, and we just need to change up the environment variables a little bit. So let's go to what can we keep, what can we change? That's the question. Copy all this and we'll paste it here. So we don't want localhost anymore. Actually, we can't. We have no idea what it's going to be right now. So let's go ahead and for now just deploy it. And then after we'll have to change that. So we can start going to our webhook settings, or our general settings, I guess. We're gonna have to change a couple things here. We have to go to our app, view details, and we need to change our allowed callback URLs. So we have to change this and allowed logout. Yeah, we'll have to change these two. So let's let this deploy. Deployment summary. Our beautiful authentication app. No logs to show. I feel like that's a bug. Something's wrong. But let's see what happens. Why did you fail? Inspect deployment. There is no logs. That's interesting. Let's go to our local environment and let's type in pnpm build, and let's do a local build and see if anything bad happens here. Okay, everything looks good. Okay, what do we have here? Error occurred, pre-rendering page redirect. Read more. Will you help me? Let's find out. On pages, check for code that assumes prop is available. Okay, we don't need this. problem is our redirect path. App redirect redirector. If user.user.id redirect. Next redirect. Oh, because we're building this page. Is it not okay to have a error? Let's create an error page by Next.js. So I think that's going to be in file conventions, error. Let's copy their error page and let's place it right in the redirect, error.ts x. I'm hoping that will fix it. Let's try it out. Let's build it again. And let's give it this count. We don't need this count anymore actually either. Kind user not found. Throw a new error. Kind user not found. Throw new error. How about the not found function? Let's see here. Not found. Let's try a not found page, see if that helps at all. Not found.tsx. Not found, could not found requested users, return home. And then we can throw a not found. We still need to redirect actually, and let's see if this will change anything in our life. I don't know why it's not building. Oh, we need to remove the .next directory and let's build. Okay, looks like it's working. Perfect, okay. Let's push this back up. Get status. Get add a, get commit handle, user not found issue in redirector. Get push origin. Cool. And let's go to our Vercel. Vercel, where are you? And we'll do a, well, it should deploy automatically, I believe. Let's see. Yeah. Is there a reason why there's no logs? There should be logs here, but I guess that's okay. No logs to show. So weird. I'm gonna pause this and pause it when it's done deploying. Okay, so we are deployed now. And we can go to our custom domain, YouTube kind.webhook.vercel. And so we can grab this, go to our kind dashboard, put this in our logged out redirect URLs, and we can put this in our allowed callback URLs. Cool. Let's save this. Oopsie. Let's save this. And then we can also go to our webhook settings, webhook, create new user. I think it's okay if we actually just create another webhook. Oh, we can't. Well, upgrading. Okay, so let's. Can I delete this webhook? Oh, edit, right? Edit webhook. And we will just replace this with our actual domain now. Whoopsie. Okay, and everything else should stay the same. Save. Cool. So now everything should be good. Oh, we have to redeploy this again, actually, because we have to change our environment variables. So let's go to our deployment. Where do I go? Settings? Environment variables. Can I just... Okay, let's see here. Secret client. I need to copy this. And I need to replace some stuff. Save this. Let's replace this. Replace this. And is that everything? And then we should redeploy this one more time just to make sure the variable variables go through. General, deployments, ready, redeploy, use build. We can use the existing build cache. I think that's okay. It should be a faster deployment. Alright, let's get this done. We get deployed it and we can test it all out. And you know what? We can even... We don't need ngrok anymore. It was fun to use for dev, so we can go close that out. Close a bunch of stuff out. We still have that single user in our Postgres database. We're gonna test it out with a new user. So I gotta find an email to use. Let's see here. I was wondering if I could use a throwaway email, but I'm not sure if I can. We'll try a throwaway email, but it might not work. Okay, so our thing is deployed now. Cool. Let's sign up. And let's try to find temporary emails for web applications. This might not work. It might have a flag, but we can try it out. Or it might have a filter. So we'll try this random email. We'll do John Smith at this random email. Create your account. Check your inbox. Refresh. 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 Yeah, I don't know why these. I guess it just knows it's a temporary email and it's not going to give me a account. Give it one more second. Okay, so I won't do that. So let's just use it as an actual email, I guess. We'll go back. Did I create a user in our database? No, it does not. Oh, you know what? Let's just. Yeah, oh, we actually got it. Nice. Okay. I wish I didn't close it. Let's hope this works. Continue. I don't know. I feel like that's a code issue, actually. resend code. We gotta backtrack. Let's go one more time. I think there was an issue with our oh, did it work? Actually, it worked. We got our user in our database, but something seems to have. Let's do it one more time because I think there was a hiccup. I want the actual redirect to happen. Otherwise, what's the point? We'll delete this. Let's delete all the cookies here real quick. You can go to application, storage, clear site data. Refresh. Okay. Sign up. We'll use this temporary email, which I guess works. What name? What name? Give me a name. What my name? From Ali. Okay, let's not mess up. Let's not refresh the page. Let's just refresh this email list. Oh, why does it do that? Oh my gosh. We got it. Okay, that's fast. Copy this. Paste it right here. Hope everything works. Nice. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. And it went instantly this time because we got rid of that artificial delay. And we go here, refresh the page, and we have our new Postgres user. Everything synced up, beautiful. You can create future events and webhooks and stuff to deleting users, updating users. Right? It's just those are great exercises to continue from here. Anyways, thank you for watching, and hope you learned something.